Alright, welcome back. Alright, so now in this lesson we're going to learn how you can set up a project, okay, and explore some tools, okay. Yeah, like you also learn how you can upload your elements to Canva, okay, and some of the features, okay. So follow me through, and then after this, be able to explore what I'll be doing, and then you can also, just for it to stick in your mind. So these are the tools, and this is the interface of the workspace, okay. Yeah, if you're a graphic designer, maybe you've used maybe Photoshop, you've used Illustrator, those tools that you see, the panels, the properties, stuff like the tools on the other side, that whole interface, okay, it is also what we have here, okay. But you can see how this is simplified, okay. Let me not confuse you. I mean, maybe you've never designed in Photoshop, okay. So maybe to those in Pixel App, some of the things that you see there, when you just open Pixel App, this is also the workspace, okay. Yeah, so uh, when you click three dots at your right, oh my god, left top, these three dots, they're different from the other three lines. I mean, three lines on the home button, they're different. This is on the workspace, okay. Yeah, so these three lines on your left top, um, there will also be a suggestion for you to create a new design, okay, or a home button for you to go back to home button there, ask if you want to ask to have one questions, and down at the bottom there will be listen to designs, only that, okay. You can cancel that. Then if you see on top, I want you to follow me through. I will explain the tools on top here, and then we come down the bottom here, okay. So let's cover the ones on top here. So you can see where I'm touching here. This is the undo button. Let me just try to do something here, okay. When I do that, and then I click here, that means the text has disappeared. Undo button, undo, okay. Yeah, so if you are a graphic designer and you've used Pixel Lab before, this is one of the tools that undo and redo button that is not available in Pixel Lab. In Pixel Lab, they only have undo button, but you don't have redo. But one good thing with Canva is you can always redo. So that's uh, text I brought here, it has gone, okay, but I can always bring it. So by just going to redo, the next arrow pointing on your right, this is redo button, it can always bring in the text, okay. That is one good part of Canva, okay. So we're done with this two. Then the three dots here will give you different options. The first option, number one, is to write the document name. You can always change it. I'm going to say practice poster, okay. Yeah, you can change the name of the design. It's important to write the name of the design. Sometimes maybe looking for it, you've got so many designs, but if you know the name, you can just search for it, okay. Yeah, and then it's going to show you editing mode, okay. So editing mode, this is where you're able to change you are able to do adjustments to the design, okay. Commenting, you can't do adjustments, you can just give feedback, okay. Viewing only, you can't do anything, you can just read, okay. This is now you maybe want to like the design was shared to you, somebody who shared the design, the owner may just put you as a viewer, like you can only view, you can't edit or do anything else. Maybe just commenting, you can just give feedback, okay. But this mode is editing mode, you can do anything, you can do adjustments, okay. Yeah, then of course there also be create new design, upload files, okay. Let me also explain this now. Upload file, this is when you want to use some of your images, some of your maybe music, video, clip, anything that is in your phone, in your internal storage phone, okay, that you want to upload it to Canva and use. For you to be able to use it, it must be uploaded to Canva, okay. Sometimes you can use direct from gallery, there's that provision, but for it to stay in Canva, like for you even to use it in a different project, you must be able to upload that element, okay. So for instance, let's upload some files. So to take you direct to your gallery, okay, it will take you direct to your phone gallery, all right. Yeah, let me just go back. I'm going to click upload files. Okay, so if maybe the file that you're looking for is on the listened, just click listened. If you know where it is specifically, just maybe in your phone, just click your phone. Okay, so for me, I click Techno Spark 10C, and then I can be able to select the image that I want to upload. Okay, got different projects. So let's say I want to upload what can I upload here? Let me go to downloads and see. Maybe I want to upload this logo for Canva. Okay, or maybe let's say away from that, let's say you want to use can just export down here and find something. Okay, we've got these laws. Okay, there's that image, that png. So just tap on the image and then it will take you to Canva. It will start uploading. Let's see if we have. Okay, my phone is on do not disturb, so it can't show the notifications. So let's check the uploads. Great, you've seen it has been uploaded. It is this one. Okay, this is the image I tapped. It has been uploaded. So this one, even if I am using a different phone, okay, I go maybe on my PC and then I want to design. I open my account, login, and I want to design and want that flower, even if it's not in that phone, in that laptop, internal storage, I can be able to access it in Canva because it is uploaded on in Canva and not just on the phone. Okay, yeah, so you can upload different files, you can upload maybe music, you can upload video clips, whatever the resources that you've downloaded outside Canva and you want to use them, you need to upload them. Okay, yeah, so that is how you use upload files here. You can tap and then upload different files that you have downloaded elsewhere. Okay, that is how you use upload files. So the size is for premium users. You can see there is a this icon here at your right side, which is a crown, gold crown. So when you tap that, it's going to show you like you need to upgrade or try for 14 days. Alright, so the size, okay, translate, okay, you can't access that. We'll talk about it when we try to explore Canva Pro features. So view all pages, when you click there, it's going to show you different pages. So when you're designing with Canva, you can have different pages, more than one page. Okay, so this is a design here. You can add another one. If I tap, I can add another one. If I tap, I can add another one. I can tap, add another one. Different ones. If you don't want to add a new one, let me delete. I can just maybe duplicate this. I hold this. Okay. Away from just creating view or pages, you can just zoom in like this. You've seen zoom in like this. It will show the pages. So you can duplicate like that, and then you've got different pages of designs. Okay, that is how you use, and then you can just double tap and open the one you want to work on. That is the function of view or pages. The settings basically show page thumbnails, show time and duration, add guides, show margins. Okay, if you want to add guides, okay, you've seen the guides here, 3 columns, right? Yeah, but mostly I don't use these guides simply because Canva is automatic when it comes to guides. Like when you're trying to place an element, there are automatic guides that you can use. So for me, I normally don't add these guides. Let me disable them. Okay, so few things you can find in settings. All right, show margins. All right, yeah, show margins is going to show this box. You see, that's a margin. All right, so I don't think most of the times I don't use that. Okay, so this settings basically it's for just for the workspace alone. Okay, and then hide comments if there are comments. Okay, yeah, most of these settings I don't think you will going to need them so much. Let me not spend so much time. If we need to do an adjustment, yeah, I'm going to let you know. So down again, you've got accessibilities. So accessibility now, check design accessibility, how other people design accessibility, colors, alternative. Okay, all right. So I've actually never used this before. All right, yeah. I think it's when somebody's if you want to share the design, all right, perhaps something like that. Okay, so as Canva is almost the same as like the other one, save. So save is when you're designing in Canva and the network is connected, you don't need to be saving every time. Okay, Canva will save the changes automatically. If there's something unsaved, it is going to show you that there's something and that is unsaved here. Okay, but as we are talking, all changes saved. If certain all changes saved, that means everything has been uploaded. Even if your phone goes off now, there's no need, like, you've lost work, nothing like that. So move is when you want to create a folder, you want to move the design to a folder. So these are the folders that we have. Okay, all right. If you want to move to design to a folder, if you want to create a new one, just click create new folder. Okay, all right. So share, copy if you want to copy this design into another one. Okay, share if you want to share it to someone else. Okay, so you can either share just by copying the link, or maybe you create a group, or maybe just type the email, all right, to somebody. Let's say I want to share to the gift, this my other email. Okay, and then I can already share it. I can be able to type in the email and the person will receive the design. So move to trash, you want to delete, find and replace. Basically guys, let me not explain in detail. I think we're going to take so much time. So the next part is for you to actually add comments for the on the page. So basically if you want to add a comment, you can add there. And then the other page, this one, this icon, okay, is automatically like a download button. You click there, the design will start downloading to automatically save as an image. Okay, if it's just a normal design. Okay, then the next one here, you've seen this, that is now export button. Export, you can invite. Okay, that is probably by sharing an email. Public view link, almost the same as the other one. Template link. Okay, or you can click more on how you can save the design. Okay, away from that, you can share the link. Download, if you click download, to give you options how do you want to download. So if you are just a basic user, not a premium user, you're going to have PNG suggested or JPEG. You can pick any. All right, JPEG, it is going to show down there best for sharing, and then PNG is going to show you best for documents and best for complex images illustrations. So PDF, if you want to share to save in PDF, very simple, you can do that. Okay, it's going to show you the pages here. You can select the pages that you want to save. Okay, if you want just current page, click current page. So you can see it's telling me all pages. It's showing me 1 to 5 pages simply because I've got 5 pages here. Okay, I hope you are following. So the 5 pages, if I zoom in, I'm going to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I added those 5 pages. If I delete this one, it's going to show me 4. If I click export, download PDF, it's going to show 1 to 4 pages. Why? Because I've got 1 page. If there's just 1 page, why? Because I've got 4 pages. If there's just 1 page, it's just going to show me 1 page here. Okay, and if you want to have save the download settings, just put up here, and then you're going to download. The design is going to be downloaded to your phone. Okay, yeah. Another thing you can need to know in exporting here is you can also save to Google Drive. All right, you can save to Dropbox. The good part is you can also directly share to social media, okay, to messaging, just like that. Okay, yeah. So I think I've been able to explain some few things here, and you can also okay, I think I've what I say. I think PDF for print. Okay, so PDF for print. This is now when you want to print the design. The color platform must be CMYK, but if I click CMYK here, it's going to show me that it's for premium users. Okay, yeah. So if you want to export for print, it's going to show that it's for premium users. Okay, so it depends on the type of the design that you want to print, but some of them can even work even when you have exported into with RGB. Okay, yeah. So RGB is for social media. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. You guys, I hope you've learned something. Let me just show you, in case you don't know how to do all this exporting and importing and exporting. Let me give you just a simple task. Go to uploads, okay, and then click upload file. All right, and then you're going to click device, and then upload an image, upload anything. Let's say let me upload this in this Canva logo here. Okay, so it may take some few seconds depending on the file size. Okay, you will be able to see the uploaded file here. When you upload, and then I want you to export it, add text and then export it. And then in the next video we are going to explore the tools down here. Okay, let's see do you have the upload button on the side? But it's taking time, but I want you basically just to try and upload something in case you don't know, and then you can even see how I was adding the text and try to export something. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. The next part of the tutorial, we're going to learn I'm going to explore the tools down here. I've introduced the tools on top here. Now I'm going to introduce the tools down here: the design, elements, text, gallery, brand, uploads, tools, projects, apps. Some of them we've talked about them. I've talked about them before. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next part of the lesson.